Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss Uber concepts and how they can be adopted into digital supply chain. You must have seen my earlier videos. I also discussed about the Uber concepts and how it is useful into digital transformation. Now this digital transformation concept is getting extended into digital supply chain. So here I am going to discuss about the digital supply chain. So let's look at the slide actually. So this, when I say adoption of these concepts is into a supply chain management, it's we have to focus onto the marketing and product business development. As Uber has focused onto marketing with the customers, keeping customers relationship, customer centricity, customer happiness, customer benefits and all. So this is also the most important thing which we should really start looking at it when we are thinking about digital supply chain. And then that information is helping you a prescriptive analysis for a better sales forecast. And with once the forecast is available, then you can think and plan it out the distribution resource planning for operations optimization. Like when I say distribution resource planning is the transportation, the truckload, route planning, all those things, they improve your operations and can reduce the cost of transportation and brings additional profitability. And use this big data to work out your marketing strategy also. After the supply chain then comes to your manufacturing execution system. It's a demand-driven material requirement planning, which you should think about it actually. In the present system, we are depending upon the demand planning, but that demand-driven system should also get linked up to your procurement planning. And this is where your inventory optimization can really come up and all that. Then use industrial Internet of Things to improve the process control. In manufacturing industry, effective process control plays a very important role that improves your product quality and then reduce the processing time, and then finally that gets reflected onto your profitability. And real-time connectivity with contract manufacturing also is important. Then is a procurement planning. It's a improve procurement planning and link up with the inventory optimization. Real-time data visibility into your digital supply chain can reduce the purchase cost because you are procuring only what is really required, not that you are keeping some safety stock and building up a safety levels at each and every stage. Mobility and analytics with the cloud will also improve your procurement planning. Better decision making will set the alarms with the best algorithm. Improve customer centricity with assured material supply. If your material supply is assured, then you only are manufacturing it. So then you can definitely assure customer the right product, right time. And real-time connectivity with the marketing, with the Salesforce and all that can improve your procurement planning also. There are a lot of other factors which also are there. Is a product physical supply chain feasibility is there. Demand trigger is there. In a certain cases, if there is a sudden increase in the demand, then that trigger can come. Platform can create an alarms from demand to delivery. Real-time distribution resource planning will be there. Use of procurement, manufacturing, contract manufacturing and distribution portals to improve the coordination or cooperation within supply chain. Strong information supply chain will be also there. Now, one is your material supply chain and second is an information supply chain. Or I always discuss about IT and OT, information technology and operation technology. So information technology has to match with your material supply chain or operation supply chain. Configurable and targeted information alerts based onto configurable parameters. Now you can able to set your own parameters, how you want to drive it and all that. Mobility and analytics interface are using cloud technology, understanding continuously the customer behavior because it's all changing continuously. As we have seen in pandemic situation and all that, lot of changes have happened with the customers' behavior, and then predicting that is the most important challenge because that's directly impacting your supply chain. Seamless integration of the data generation is and sharing. Finally, that has to really get linked up to your financial supply chain. We had discussed this earlier with integrated business planning also, because finally all the supply chains also play important role with the financial planning. Budget and monitoring expenses is important. Digital collection of the data about payments and receipts is also comes up into your financial planning. Optimizing procurement and major operation expenses, which I'm linking up into my financial planning, and end-to-end visibility to pay functionally, because finally that everything has to get linked up to the payments and your budgets and profitability. Hope there are a number of factors are there, but I'm quite sure once you start thinking about each one more into the details, I'm sure you will be able to improve your supply chain and make it digital and achieve the supply chain excellence. Feel free to contact us. We are there to help you. Do subscribe the channel and share with your contacts. Our contact details are over here. Thank you. Bye.